Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to hard reset Realme Narzo N53 smartphone. This is helpful for those who have forgot their password. As you can see, wrong pin entered. As you can see, you have incorrectly typed your pin 5 times. Try again in 30 seconds. Okay, to hard reset, first to do hard reset, first power off your smartphone, tap on power off. Okay, now it is successful power off. Now first press the power key 1, 2, 3, and now press the volume down key. And release. And here you can see no command. Now press the power and volume up key to go in Android recovery mode. You can see it will send you in Android recovery mode. Now the volume keys to move up and down, and power button to confirm. Okay, so now here go to wipe data factory reset and confirm. As you can see, wipe all user data. This cannot be undone. Now go to factory data reset and confirm. As you can see, wiping data. Okay, now data wipe complete. Now reboot system now. And guys, after hard reset, it might take some time to boot up the device. And after hard reset, when it asks for password, pin or pattern, use Google account to unlock the phone. So guys, this is the method to hard reset Realme Narzo N53 smartphone easily. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query related to this video, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe and click on bell icon for the latest updates.